simulan namin ang aming camping journey or camping life. Or considered na ba siya camping?
Camping na lang.
Or semi-camping kasi hindi pa complete gears namin. Like yung tent, coming pa. Kali meron kami mga basic camping gears. Cook set, stove, cook set, at iba pa. Pagkain. Yan. Umabol.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track. Now I know what it means to grow. It is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
Sasaing na kami
Yung mga plastic.
para sa hapunan.
Sa ano nito? Experimental, kamot ni.
Good luck. Yung sabi nga nila, legit ka na camper kung
Marunong magsaing.
hindi.
Ano?
Kung hindi tama yung pagluto mo. Like kung hilaw siya or sunog siya or basa-basa.
Kamot ni.
Kumusta na?
Ito yun na.
Goods lang?
Tikman mo daw. Luto.
Harap. Harap. Kanin lang tarap.
Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong commands in life.
For today is Korean chicken. Ano yan? Korean samgyup. Basta chicken breast yan na marinate sa Korean marinade.
Yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know what it means to grow. Oh, yeah, now I know the time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
Rice, chicken, samyang.
Pinay mo. Tapos seaweed kain, tapos barbecue.
Tubig na kung doon tayo.
Aso.
Lamok pa.
Lamok mo, sorry. Baka kasi na pinirain. Kanina malambot siya no, yung na-boil lang. No? Na-try mo? Usually coffee pala. Matcha at tetarik. Baka naman. Ay, hindi pala tetarik. Sa mga galit sa matcha, lasang damo daw. Lasang damo daw mga hindi mga maka-matcha lover.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder, harder, harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers. Cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars through the floor. Now put your loving, loving, loving on me. Yeah, loving on me. Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you.
Binigyan
It's
namin ng
just
pizza.
sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die? Around all these people, trying to be someone better than you and I. Posing for pictures, but nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just walk away, walk away, walk away? Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
It's me for our friend.
Okay. Ligpit na tayo.
It's
Pack,
time.
pack up na.
Be on a first camping.
Ito na nagtatapos
semi-camp
aming first day or day 1 ng camping experience. Ay,
First lang.
Semi.
Wala mang day 2.
semi camping lang pala.
First camp experience.
Semi camp kasi wala kaming tent. Kahapon lang dumating. Kahapon lang dineliver ni Shopee.
Ano to, babe?
Ikaw mo lang.
Di pa maayos ang pagkakahugas sa ating dishwasher. Tayo hot towel.
I've earned
felt like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home.